Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel, Jeoff-Re'z DIY. I am Jeoff-Re'z. Today we're gonna be planting some vegetables. So what we're having here in front of us right now, guys, are some pak choys. These pak choys were actually started from seeds in some plastic bottles. We have 7 seedlings, and all of those seedlings will be placed into this old tire right here. So in this old tire right here, we have a mixture of cow manure, compost, and regular garden soil. See how well drained and refined this soil looks? Yes, it was also sifted to get rid of all the larger pebbles. So what I'm going to be doing right now, guys, is just to take the seedlings and just to place them in the area that I want to have them planted. I'm just going to be spacing them out evenly in this old tire. So once you have your old tires, people, you don't need to throw them away. You don't need to leave them at the tire shop. You can use them for small DIY projects like these. If you cannot cut them for yourself, then you can have somebody cut them for you, and then you can actually place them into the area of choice. So what I'm doing right now is actually straddling the plant and squeezing the container so that the seedling can be removed easily. I'm not going to get rid of all the soil from around the roots. I'm going to allow some to remain. Just look at these roots right here. Nice and healthy. Yes, so by leaving some of the soil on these roots right here, it will help the plant to adjust more easily in its new environment. As you will notice, I'm digging the soil with my bare hands because the soil is so soft and well drained. It won't damage my fingers. But guys, you don't have to do as I'm doing, because the soil in your area might be of a different texture, as well as it might be a case where you don't want to get your hands dirty. You may want to wear gloves, or you may want to use something to create the holes to put in your seedlings. But for me, I'm comfortable doing it this way. I don't mind getting my hands dirty. I love to be intimate with my plants. So guys, removing these seedlings, you have to be very careful because they are very delicate. So you have to handle them with care. And as I said before, make sure you transfer the seedlings with some of the earth into the new space that you are putting them. The soil right here, guys, it is very rich. So I know that within a short period of time, you will be surprised at their transformation. So guys, now that they have been transplanted, let me show you what they're looking like from a different angle. Looking real beautiful, right? Yes, very beautiful. And they will be even more beautiful when they start putting out more leaves. So I can't wait to show you what they look like after a few days. This area that they are in now, they will be exposed to a lot of sunlight. So guys, I'm ensuring that I'm giving them a lot of water right now because they will be needing that going into the next couple of days. Moreover, we have not had rains now for over a week, so I'm gonna make sure that the soil has a lot of moisture. So guys, you have options now. If you are planting crops like these and you want to ensure that you maintain a certain level of moisture, what you can do is actually do some mulching. Or better yet, what you can do is actually set up a self-watering system for your plants, or even set up a drip irrigation system for these plants. So once you set up your drip irrigation or your self-watering system, what it does is that it actually sends the water directly to the roots of the plants. It has proven very effective, and you can also do this for your plants as well. So linking on your screen now, guys, is a video of how I set up my self-watering system for my pepper plants. So you can always go ahead and watch that video.